By being able to always download and transfer new features to the Mikroskop, I have a bulletproof system which I can continuously update and adapt as I need it. I can easily customize my TAGARNO to fit with my exact needs. My TAGARNO provides me with a unique magnification tool since it has optical zoom, ultra-high frame rates and allows me to see the magnified object in ultra-clear 1080p image quality. By being able to quickly capture uncompressed images and video in full HD quality directly to the Mikroskop or to a computer, I can easily share high-quality documentation with my colleagues and business partners. This feature enables me to create one ultra-sharp image by stacking images with different focuses on top of each other. By activating the on-screen ruler function, I can perform accurate measurements directly on screen and save images with graphics for great documentation material. I am able to quickly magnify objects up to 297 times by using an ultra-high quality +25 lens. The digital revolution has added new life to the traditional optical microscopes. The ease of use of the TAGARNO is one of the most important benefits. It is just plug and play. Via a single snapshot, you're able to create easily shareable, high-quality documentation through high-definition images produced by high-resolution cameras displayed on high-definition monitors and computers. With standalone or computer-connected digital microscopes, TAGARNO paves the way for considerably improved communication by enabling you to document, share and explain your work and results to co-workers, as well as within departments, companies and supply chains.